How to fix Safari cannot open because the server cannot be found on iPhone.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are inside settings, head over to General. Scroll all the way down and at the bottom, tap on Shutdown. You have to slide this icon and then power off your device. Once your device has been shut down, reopen it and then enter the passcode of your device. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to General once again. Move into Date and Time. In here you have to make sure that the settings is set to Set Automatically. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to General once again. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. In here, you have to tap on Reset Network Settings. Now enter the passcode of a device and then enter the screen time passcode. Once it's done, at the last you have to click on Reset Network Settings and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.